I worked with a customer on a problem to solve LearnDash, ActiveCampaign and Memberium work together. And he told me, I looked everywhere and I couldn't find any decent explanation on how these tools work together. You should record something. Well, here it is. So I've been working with LearnDash, ActiveCampaign, and Memberium, which is a tool that glues them together for a long time. And let me go over how these three pieces of software work together to get you what you need, particularly if you're building an online course. So WordPress is a website building platform. About 70+% of the internet is built with it. It's kind of a standard. And LearnDash is installed as a WordPress plugin. A plugin is just something that adds function to WordPress, and LearnDash allows you to use WordPress as your platform for servicing up your course materials. That would be your courses, your lessons, your topics, and everything that goes with it, including quizzes and other pieces of your learning system, right? Now, we recommend WooCommerce as a tool for selling your courses. You can use others, but in the article that I reference in this video, you can come up and get an explanation on how WooCommerce and LearnDash work together. So now you have a way to sell it. You have a way for LearnDash to make your course available, and those two work really well together. Now, ActiveCampaign is a CRM, a customer relationship system, a management system. It allows you to keep track of every single one of your contacts, your prospects, your customers, whoever they might be, and then track how they interact with you and how you're interacting with them. You can record your phone calls. You can record that they filled out a form, that they purchased something from you, so you know a lot about them and then can take proper action based on what you want to get accomplished. Now, WordPress and ActiveCampaign don't naturally talk to each other. But in comes Memberium, which is installed as a WordPress plugin, and those two talk together perfectly, So what does that allow you to do? So if WooCommerce buys something, or someone buys something with WooCommerce, WooCommerce will tell ActiveCampaign, hey, somebody just bought a course. LearnDash can be told by ActiveCampaign, hey, make sure that this guy who paid his money is allowed into this course. Now, if you have WooCommerce and WooCommerce has a subscription, which allows people access to some part of your course, but only while people are paying, it keeps ActiveCampaign up to speed on what's going on. And if they miss a payment, it can work with ActiveCampaign to tell WordPress, hey, they're not allowed to have access anymore. So all these things then work together to give a much more robust and complete solution for your customers. Because ActiveCampaign is a CRM, it has very good emailing function. So you can use ActiveCampaign to send out a really cool welcome message when they purchase. You can send out a message when someone finishes a course, finishes a lesson. You can send them attaboys. You can set up timers so that if someone's taking way too long to finish some section of a LearnDash course, a lesson, or whatever, you can send them, hey, are you having trouble? Is there something we can help you with? You can make it feel more alive, so to say. So these three tools work really well together. WordPress is a part of that mix. And you really ought to consider using them together. If you want more information like this, consider joining our Profitable Online Course Builders. It gives you access to folks like us and a lot of learning materials so that you don't have to struggle. Take care.